Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So ngayon lang ako naka-vlog. Karon nandito kami sa Walmart. Nag-grocery kami saka nagpaputol din ako ng buhok ko. Short na aking buhok, mga higala. Tingnan nyo, ang buhok ko short na. So ito, nag-grocery kami. Oh, bili, mami, bili. Hey, Archie, hey. Ulit yan. Okay, Archie. There you go. There you go. Water. At saka dito. Cookie. Oh, what do you call that cookie?
Called Thin Mints.
Huh?
They're called Thin Mints, and also
Ooh,
$70.
RG.
My birthday.
RG buy that is expensive games. So yan lang ang grocery. So at ako ang mag-drive ngayon. So yan guys. So mag-drive ako.
It's hot. I'll put the Thin Mints in here.
Where we going, eh?
Well, you want to go to your Asian place?
Okay,
And come back to Winco?
yeah. It's hot in here. Okay guys, we're going to Asian market. Bili kami ng Asian, Filipino food. Asian food. So, tara.
I found a cold water.
Cold water.
Because it was under the armrest. It's cold.
RJ, taking video me,
No.
RJ.
No.
Just put like that, RJ. Just hold like that, RJ.
No.
So, okay guys. We're here now outside. Tapos na tayo sa pagbili ng mga Filipino food. Yan ang ating nabili. Ito ang Asian market dito. Yan. Asian market. There is. Mga $64 ang ating nabili. Guys, ang ating nabili. Ayan, mayroon akong papaya at saka sweet potato, saka sweet corn. Ito, mayroon tayong pansit canton. Ayan. Pansit canton. At saka dito, ang mga bagoong at saka yan, saba, banana, yan. Yan o, bagoong guys. Mga hijala. Kamayan. I like this, not so salty. Yan. At saka dito, mayroong magic sarap at saka pansit canton. Ayan. At saka dito, oh, favorite ko, OC. Ayan. Ayan lang ang ating nabili ngayon. So, oops. Oh my goodness. Ano? It's flying. Oh. Na-reset. Yeah. Lumupad ang lagay ang part. So, punta tayo dito. So guys, so ang kanilang store is Asian market. Dito ako bumili kapag na-miss ko na ang Filipino food. So guys. Saka mag-drive na naman ako guys. So, here's RJ. Okay guys, we here now in Winco. We buy a little bit grocery. We not buy yet. There is the Winco. Okay, let's go. Yeah. We go inside now. Okay, I go now. What else you want to buy, Hannah? Okay, I go. Here it is, guys. So, ako lang ang magbili ng maliit na grocery dahil silang daddy daw lang maghintay sa akin sa car. So, here na guys. So, aking nabili oh. Ang kanilang TV din na dito. Here it is nothing. It's about daddy. Saka hamburger buns. Oo. 12.15. April 24. So we change this. Okay guys, nandito na ako sa parking lot. Yes, nag-grocery little grocery. Exercise agenda. There we go. There is. Oh. Put that there, girl.
Wait, I'm gonna show you something.
What?
Ready?
Okay, go. Careful. You're stuck in there. You're stuck in there, okay. There you go. Okay. Yes, that's it for today guys. And see you next time. Bye. Guys, ito lahat ang aking nabili guys sa Asian market. Yan. Yan lahat siya. Buti na lang mayroong Asian market dito. Dahil sometimes ma-miss kasi natin ang Filipino food. So, ayan ang aking nabili. Okay.